Today, I'll show you how to change DNS on Google Chrome for iPhone. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. On iPhone, Chrome does not offer the same built-in use secure DNS setting that Chrome has on desktop and Android. Google's Chrome Help shows secure DNS controls for desktop and Android, but the iPhone and iPad Chrome security pages do not include that setting. In practice, that means DNS changes for Chrome on iPhone are mainly handled through iPhone network settings, not a separate Chrome DNS switch. So if you want to change the DNS Chrome uses on your iPhone, the usual method is to change the DNS settings for your Wi-Fi network in iOS. Apple's support documentation confirms that DNS can be configured from the network settings screen on iPhone during setup, and Apple also documents manage DNS settings for iPhone at the system level. That tells us DNS on iPhone is primarily controlled by iOS, not by Chrome itself. Here's the simple way to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're connected to and tap the Info button next to it. On that network page, open the DNS section, switch from automatic to manual if needed, and enter the DNS server you want to use. Because Chrome on iPhone uses the iPhone's network connection, changing the DNS here is the main way to affect Chrome's DNS behavior on that Wi-Fi network. Now, there's one important limit to remember. This kind of DNS change is usually network-based, so it affects the iPhone connection for that Wi-Fi network, not just Chrome by itself. In other words, if you change DNS in iPhone Wi-Fi settings, other apps using that same network connection may also use that DNS. Apple's DNS documentation supports this system-level approach. If your goal is not custom DNS, but simply stronger security in Chrome, there is a Chrome setting you can turn on. Google says on iPhone and iPad you can open Chrome, tap More, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and turn on Always Use Secure Connections. That does not change your DNS provider, but it does make Chrome warn you about sites that don't use HTTPS. So, in simple terms, you usually can't change DNS from inside Chrome on iPhone, the way you can on desktop or Android. To change the DNS Chrome uses, go to your iPhone Wi-Fi settings and change the DNS there for the network you're using. If you also want better browsing security in Chrome, turn on Always Use Secure Connections in Chrome's privacy settings, and that's how to change DNS on Google Chrome for iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.